All right. So the idea is we want to generate points. Now, suppose we have this as our function. Now, this kind of function means we're going to square all the x values. So an x will go into our factory, and it'll come out squared. And this would be another way of saying our y value. And I should mention, f of x and y, they mean exactly the same thing. So it's kind of peculiar how this works, but we put our x into the factory still, and it's going to come out squared. That's really what it is. And this square is going to be our y value. Let's do the example. Suppose we have this. We've got our function, and we're going to use x values, say -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. The best way to do this is to make a chart. So we're going to list our x values vertically. And so here we do the computation. F of -2. Now this is -2 squared. And you want to be careful putting this into your calculator. You want to make sure that you put it in with parentheses, because -2 squared means -2 times -2, or +4. Now, if you don't put those parentheses there, there's going to be some problems. If you just put in -2 squared, the way most calculators interpret this, I know this is peculiar. -1 times 2 squared. Yeah. 2 squared is 2 times 2, or 4. So it's -1 times 4, and that's -4. So they treat it as -1 times 2 squared. We really want -2 squared. That's what x squared really means. So -2 times -2, negative times negative will come out positive. So this is 4. F of -1, -1 squared is 1. F of 0, 0 squared is 0. F of 1, 1 squared is 1. F of 2, 2 squared is 4. All right. So the last thing we do is pair up our input and output. So input, and again, input, the x value always goes first. The output, or y value, always goes last. So this is 4, -1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 4. Now, you'll also see this written in another way. Let me get a stronger pen. Another way you'll see this sometimes. Oh, don't worry. Is x f of x. They'll sometimes write it like that. They'll treat f of x as both the factory and the output. So that's okay. And well, that's how you generate those points. The next thing we're going to do is graph them, and we'll save that for the next video. So any questions, let me know.